Hello everyone. So in this video again we'll be discussing a question pertaining to geometry. So it's a very interesting question as such. So let's see, take a look at this and let's look at the way towards solving the same. Point D lies on side BC of triangle ABC so that AD intersects angle BAC. The perpendicular bisector of AD intersects the bisector of angle ABC and ACB. Okay, in point E and F respectively. Given that AB equal to 4, BC equal to 5 and CA equal to 6 and triangle AEF can be written as M root M by P, where M and P are relative co-prime positive integers and N is a positive integer not divisible by the square of any prime. Find M plus N plus P. Here's the diagram of the following. The notation might not be properly visible, so let me just write it once again so we can have a better understanding. This point is A, I, this is E, okay. This outside point is C, this particular point is H, let me just mark this, E, C, H, okay. This particular point being D, this particular point being B, this is G, subsequently this one is F. So yeah, all the points have been properly marked. So now let's take a look at the question. So how can we go about it? It's also given that AB, so that is AB, so that is 4, AB is 4, particularly this particular line is 4, and subsequently BC, BC being BC, this particular line is how much is given 5, and CA. So if I'm to highlight the particular lines, which one is given, let me just highlight, this is AB, AB, this particular line, AB, this is BC, and this one is AC. So AB is equal to 4, BC equal to 5, and CA is given as 6. Okay, so now let's start off. Let's take a look at the question. So how to go about solving this. Here triangle AFE, so which is AFE, AF and E, this particular triangle, just change the color. So this particular triangle AFE and angle AGH, so AG and H, AGH being this particular triangle. This particular triangle, so these two triangles are similar. Okay, so with that, so therefore they are similar by spiral similarity at A. Again, AD is the altitude of triangle AFE. Okay, so AD is the altitude of the same of triangle ADE, and also triangle AGH as well. So AD, AGH and AD. EFE, altitude, of triangle AGH. So we need to compare both these attitudes. So from here we can actually denote that if we talk about AD, we can actually get AD by 2 equal to root 18 by 2. This is the altitude of triangle AFE. Okay, so similarly the altitude of triangle AGH is altitude of triangle ABC, or 12 by root 7. Also, GB equal to HC here 1. So GB equal to HC, they are 1, and therefore AGH to ABC. So from here we get that the area of triangle ABC is 17 root 7 by 4, 14, you can use something like 36, which is the required answer. So hopefully all these things are clear as far as the steps taken to solve this particular question in general. So with that said, come to the end of the video. Thank you so much.